Hey guys, I'm Trui and I make streamer support videos. Today I'm going to talk about what I wish I knew when I started streaming. So I've been streaming on Twitch for over 2 years now, and there are a lot of things that I wish I knew when I started back then, because I had a bit of a rough start. People didn't really come to my stream at first, probably because I did a lot wrong, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes as I did in the start. So the first thing I was really wrong about was viewership. How can you get them? Well, I thought that if I just had great content, people would just come in my stream. But to be honest, if you play a saturated game and your content is just really good, they don't come automatically. They just can't find you. They don't know where you are, so they can't find the great content you're making. Therefore, you need to find other ways to get people into your stream, because just streaming isn't gonna help. Well, you can obviously start streaming in a less saturated game where less people are streaming in. So when people are searching for that game, there is a bigger chance of them clicking on your stream. And if you make awesome content, obviously they will stay. If you don't, you probably need to make some adjustments in your stream to make it better. To be honest, you always need to make adjustments in your stream to make it better. It doesn't matter if it's great, just make it better. So one of the things you can do if you start streaming is join Discord communities. There are a lot of Discord communities out there. Some are better than others. But in a Discord community, you can just ask other streamers about how they did stuff and just support each other as well. And most important thing, make streamer friends, because you guys can rate each other and just pump up each other's numbers by rating and just introducing new audiences to your stream. If you want to ask some things about streaming, underneath in the description there's a link to my Discord. Feel free to join that and ask as many questions as you want. What you can also do to get more viewers, but mostly to let them stay, is to get a niche. Because if you stream a game and, for example, one guy comes and see you play Dead by Daylight, and you're gonna stream something else like Stardew Valley, they might not like that game and they might just go away because they don't like that game. But if you stream in a niche, if you stream the same kind of games all the time, people are more likely to like those games as well and stay for the other games as well as they did for the game that they came in with. So like I said before, it's very important to make friends with streamers and to network with them. At the start I made a big mistake trying to talk with like everybody, but it's better to like concentrate on a few people and talk with them a lot than concentrating on a lot of people and almost never talk to them. So make sure to do quality networking above quantity networking. You can do this networking on different platforms, but mostly Twitch, Discord, Twitter, and Instagram are the ways to go. And talking about social media, I recommend you to get at least Twitter, because Twitter is huge on the streamers. And if you want another one, go for Instagram. Another thing that can discourage your viewers from watching is your bitrate and your quality settings. This might sound weird, but if you stream at 1080p, 60 FPS with a bitrate of 6K, there are some people in the world that don't have enough internet to actually watch your stream. And if you don't have transcoding, which is quality option settings for your viewers, they might not be able to watch it. So if you start out streaming, I recommend not going above 720, 30 FPS, and let's say a bitrate of 4K. But if you have transcoding, go as high as you can, because, well, we all like to see quality. For those who don't know how to get transcoding, basically, if you're partnered, you automatically get it. And if you're an affiliate, there's a chance of you getting it. If you have a more steady schedule and you have a higher viewer count over the past 30 days, you have more chance of you getting it. It is never guaranteed, though. It's just, you get the leftovers from the partners, basically. And what helped a lot for me to get viewers to my Twitch was my YouTube channel, this. You guys are watching it, and some of you are actually going to my Twitch, which is underneath in the description if you would like to see it. And check it out, so that's really cool. And I, like, when I'm live, I often see people coming in and they're saying, hey, thank you for making that video, it helped me a lot. So that helps a lot for me with getting more viewers on my Twitch. But you can do the same, you can make a YouTube channel. You can make gameplay videos, you can make vlogs, you can do whatever you want. I would not recommend uploading a full broadcast from Twitch or highlight videos, because people are not that interested in that on YouTube, to be honest. And the last thing you really need to do is make a Discord server for your community. If you want your community to be tight and know each other, you need to give them a chance to get to know each other. And no better place than a Discord server to chat with each other. So make sure you make one and be active in it yourself as well, because otherwise people are not going to talk if you are not. So long story short, make sure you make a Discord server and have ways for you to get viewers into your stream, because just streaming isn't going to work out. What do you want the next video to be about? Leave it in the comments! Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the little bell icon for notifications. And I will see you in the next video.